Welcome to the future of smartphones. Today, we're exploring the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, packed with cutting-edge tech that's set to change the game. Get ready to discover the power of advanced 3M chips and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to feature advanced 3M chips, with variations depending on the region. This means that certain models will be equipped with the Exynos 2500, while others will boast the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. But what does this mean for performance? The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is set to be unveiled in October 2024, and it's already making waves in the tech world. With its debut in the Geekbench database, we're seeing impressive scores that rival the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's dive into the details. In initial tests, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, paired with 12 GB of RAM, achieved remarkable scores of 2,884 in single-core and 8,840 in multi-core benchmarks on Geekbench 6. How does this compare to the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Let's find out. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 demonstrates a significant improvement of 35% in single-core and 30% in multi-core performance compared to its predecessor. Early chipset tests often use reference devices with non-final software, which can lead to lower performance metrics. But once the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is integrated into consumer-ready devices with more than 12 GB of RAM, we can expect a significant boost in CPU performance. The question is, how will it compare to the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro series? The iPhone 16 Pro series is expected to introduce a chip that may not significantly enhance CPU performance compared to its predecessor. This opens the door for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, to potentially rival or even surpass the iPhone 16 Pro Max in terms of CPU capabilities. The battle for smartphone supremacy is heating up. But that's not all. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 has already outperformed the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 6-core GPU in graphics processing. With the Adreno 80030 in the 8 Gen 4, we can expect even more impressive graphics capabilities. The future of mobile gaming is looking bright. Samsung has officially started mass-producing the world's slimmest mobile device memory chips, designed to enhance on-device AI capabilities in smartphones. These innovative 12nm DDR5 XRAM chips are just 0.65mm thick, yet they offer higher density and improved heat resistance. Sleek, high-capacity chips tailored for on-device AI tasks? Samsung's got it. These innovative 12nm memory chips will likely feature in the Galaxy S25 series, with the Ultra model possibly boasting an impressive 16 GB of RAM. But why is RAM so crucial for AI? Apple's Craig Federighi revealed that the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus miss out on Apple Intelligence due to their 6 GB RAM limitation. The minimum requirement for Apple's AI capabilities is 8 GB, which is why the upcoming iPhone 16 will feature this upgrade. But Samsung is taking it to the next level. As a leading manufacturer of memory chips, Samsung can equip its devices with double the RAM, optimized for AI functions. This means that the Galaxy S25 series will have a significant edge over the competition. But that's not all. Samsung's also working on something big.